Let's now talk about another story from India. It's about an observation from the country's apex court, the Supreme Court of India. Here's what happened. While hearing a transfer petition arising out of a matrimonial dispute, a bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and Sanjay Karol was informed that the marriage was a love marriage. Justice Gavai said, most divorces are arising from love marriages only. This is an observation from the Supreme Court of India, labeling love marriages as the leading cause of most divorces in the country. Now, let me just say this right at the outset. I'm no cheerleader for love marriages or for arranged marriages. How someone chooses to marry, who someone chooses to marry is entirely up to them, of course, to each their own. But the thing is, what the Apex Court of India says every day impacts the lives of not just those involved in that specific case, but each and every Indian in a way. So what should one make of this remark from the Supreme Court? That love marriages don't work? That arranged marriages are better? And which day and age are we living in anyway? And what are we trying to say with such remarks? India, by the way, is among the countries with the lowest divorce rate in the world. You know what the divorce rate in the country is? 1%. A majority of Indians marry not for love, not when they have found a compatible partner to spend their life with, but due to societal pressure. This was the takeaway from a 2018 survey of more than 160,000 households in the country. 93% of married Indians said that theirs was an arranged marriage. Just 3% had a love marriage. Another 2% described theirs as a love-cum-arranged marriage, which usually means that the relationship was set up by the family members and then the couple decided to get married. And what do you make of that? And the question is it fair to villainize love marriages? Also, let's face it, divorce is taboo in India, and there is a need to normalize it. If one is unhappy in a marriage, they should not be forced to be in it, be it because of societal pressure or anyone's pressure for that matter. What will people say? That needs to be gotten rid of. It's true that a lot of women don't have the means to support themselves if they end their marriage, and that's why there is a greater need to empower women, to make them financially independent, so they have the freedom to walk out of a marriage if they are unhappy. Again, is it fair to be labeling love marriages as the villains? Think about it. Do remarks like the latest one coming from the Supreme Court send out the right message? It's time we think about these questions. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.